So, this is a lecture series on MCQs on artificial intelligence, and this lecture series will focus only on those questions that will be coming in NTA and NET examination on computer science subject. Well, you will also get lectures on different other subjects also, but now this series will only target the artificial intelligence based questions. So, first, come to today's question. So today's question is that which of the following prologue programs correctly implement if Z succeeds then execute goal P else execute goal theta. Okay, so you know about the prologue programs. So this A, B, C, D, four options are given, which are prologue program statements. Okay, now you need to find out that option, that is that prologue statement which will correctly implement this one. That is, if Z succeeds, then execute goal P, else execute goal theta. Okay, so if we see that the if else statement, let me tell you the answer of this question, solution of this question. The answer will be B, option B. That is, if else ZP theta, that is called G, cut, call P, if else ZP theta, then call theta. This is the solution, means answer. Now let's go for the explanation part. For this, you need to know about the syntax of if, then, else in prologue, and that is this one: A implies B, C call A. This is cut. You know, explanation point is denotes cut in prologue is special goal that always succeeds and blocks backtracking for all branches above it that may have alternative. Right. So call B, A implies BC, then call C. So if you compare this syntax with the given options, you will find that option B is correct one. That is, if else GP theta, that is called Z, then call P, if else GP theta, then call theta. This means what? If Z succeeds, then we need to execute that goal P. That is, we are calling P. If not, then of course we need to execute the goal theta. So we need to call theta. So this one, if else ZP theta, that is called theta. Right. But if you see the other option, this is not implying anywhere else. Okay. So that's it. B is the correct option, and I hope the explanation part is also clear to you. So in the next lecture, I'll try to again bring one more question from artificial intelligence. That's it. So stay tuned. We'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.